Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme Narzo 80 Lite keeps crashing. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. After close all the background apps, then open your settings, and then here you can see the option app updates. Now click on it. Now here you can update all your apps. After update all your apps, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. In last you can see the option erase all data. It means factory data reset. Now click on it. Now enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all your data means factory data reset. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, document, apps, any personal data. So after do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.